Hi friends, so this is the another type of connection. So just like series connection and parallel connection, this is another type of connection, star connection and delta connection. So now in this video we will see how these two are related. So if you can see in the diagram, so there are three terminals X, Y and Z. Out of three, they are connected with three resistors Rx, Ry and Rz. So similarly, we have another diagram which has again three terminals capital X, capital Y and capital Z, and the resistors are connected in a delta fashion. So this is R1, R2 and R3. So in the first case it is called star connection, the second case is called delta connection. That means as you can see, the terminals are same, capital X, capital Y and capital Z. So in between these three terminals we can have any one of these connections. So there is a definite relation between these resistors. Okay, so now let's try to find out star to delta. That means if star things have been given to us, Rx, Ry, Rj, how to find R1, R2, R3. Okay, let's move on to that step. First we need to find the multiplication of those two things. So what we have obtained we need to write again here. So let me show you that part. Yeah, so these are the things we have obtained, Rx, Ry and Rj. Now what we need to do, we need to simply multiply and add them. So it will be Rx, Ry plus Ry, Rz plus again Rx, Rj, which is equal to, let me multiply these two. What will happen? R1 is twice, right? R1 square, R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 whole square plus next Ry, Rj. So this is Ry, Rj. So R1, R2 square, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 whole square plus R1, R2, R3 whole square divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 whole square. That's all. So this is simple thing. Okay. So now what we need to do? Now we need to divide this part with any of the things. Let me divide this by x. Divide this by rx. So what will happen? It will become ry plus rz plus ry rz divided by rx. So which is equal to, yeah, here let us simplify further. So which is equal to, yeah, so which is equal to, let me take R1, R2, R3 common from all the three things. So here R1 remains, here R2 remains, plus here R3 remains, divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 whole square. This and this will get cancelled. Finally it will be like this: R1, R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 simply. Now we need to divide this with Rx. Let us divide this with Rx. So divide with Rx. Then what will happen? If this is the case, it will be remaining with Ry plus Ry Rz divided by Rx plus Rz, which is equal to R1, R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 into, we are dividing this with Rx, which is equal to, so let me write Rx here. So let me see what is Rx. Yeah, Rx is R1 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it will be equal to R1 R2 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 into, so Rx will be R1 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's all, and this will get cancelled, and R3 R1 will get cancelled, R3 R1. So finally it remains with R2. Okay, finally it remains with R2. So with this clarity we can conclude that R1 is equal to R1 is equal to, yeah, R1 is equal to Rx plus Ry is equal to, sorry, plus Rx Ry divided by Rz. Similarly, so we have already obtained R2 is equal to Ry plus Rz is plus Ry Rz divided by Rx. Similarly, R3 is equal to Rx plus Rz plus Rx Rz divided by Ry. So these are the final expressions. So we are getting the delta connections, delta resistors in terms of star resistors. Okay, so I like to tell you the shortcut for this. It's very easy thing. So let me explore that part also. Yes, I want to tell you the shortcut to convert star to delta or delta to star. So let us see here. The shortcut is very simple. Yeah, if you want to convert delta into star, so delta into star, that means, see, we are converting delta into star. Yes, if we want to convert delta into star, so this is, yeah, so if you want to convert delta into star, that means we have delta terms, that means we have R1 R2 and R3, and now we need to convert into star, that means Rx Ry and Rz. How can we do it? So this can be done in a simpler fashion. That means, see, let me draw with blue color. See, that means R1 R2 R3 have been given to us. Here we need to convert into delta like this. So what is this part? This part is Rx. Now I can say simply, so what is Rx? Okay, let me write here, Rx is equal to multiplication of two resistors connected with this. So two resistors connected with this are R1 and R3. So Rx will be equal to R1 R3 divided by sum of all the things, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, let us practice Ry also. So what is Ry now? So Ry is this part is Ry. So what are the connected resistors? R1 R2. So some of the resistors are R1 plus R2 plus R3. So similarly, what is Rz? Rz is equal to this one. So connector resistors are R2 and R3. So R2 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So similarly, to convert, this is the conversion from delta to star. So to convert from star to delta, that means star resistors have been given to you, given to us. That means Rx, Ry, Rz are given to us. Now our job is to find out delta. How this can be done? This can be easily done here. So it looks like this. Yeah. So this resistor is R1. Now I want to find R1. How to get R1? It's very easy. Just see here. So R1 will be equal to sum of connected resistors, simply Rx plus Ry, plus multiplication of connected resistors Rx Ry divided by unconnected resistor, that is Rz. Very simple concept. Okay. Now we can have the same thing in another manner. That means let me go ahead with R2. So what is R2 now? So where is R2? R2 is here. So this is R2. Yeah. Now tell me, simply sum of connected resistors Ry plus Rz plus multiplication of those two Ry Rz divided by unconnected resistor, that is Rx. Yeah. Similarly, what is R3? R3 is equal to here. R3 is here. So connected resistors are Rx and Rz. It will be equal to Rx plus Rz plus Rx Rz divided by unconnected resistor is Ry. So these are the shortcuts. You can use it in maybe in anything, maybe in GATE or plus 2 students or intermediate students can use these formulae for their MSET or maybe for IIT JEE. Okay, anywhere you can use it. So these are the shortcut methods. So you can simply go ahead with the problems. Okay, thank you so much for your careful listening, and please like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can have very good videos on this electrical engineering topic. Thank you so much. Bye bye.